Who doesn't like brownies? But what if those brownies are shaped like a ball and the main ingredient is dates? Well, I found a recipe online that is just that, so let's try. So I'll be using my blender for this recipe because I have no food processor. If you have one, however, that will be really useful because what you want to do is gather 160 grams of dates or 1 cup of dates, and you want to grind them down into a fine paste. And add the following ingredients: a pinch of salt, 40 grams or 1/3 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and 1 tablespoon of pure peanut butter made from only peanuts. You can use either a smooth one or one with chunks. I'm using one with chunks because I already had that one. With all your ingredients together, you can now put them in a processor or a mixer or a blender and grind everything down to a smooth paste. Well, that was a bit more complicated than expected. It was very sticky, so I had to divide up the mixture into parts so to make sure all the dates were ground down. But eventually I managed to do it, and it looks pretty nice so far. What you now want to do is melt some white chocolate. I have 160 grams of white chocolate chips, or 1 cup here, and I'm going to use a technique called au bain-marie. Place a bowl with your ingredient in a dish or another bowl and add hot water around it. The heat from the water will slowly melt the chocolate without it burning. While your chocolate is melting, grab some parchment and your mixture and form it into balls as best as you can. Something like this. Make about 10 balls. Nine balls is fine too. Your white chocolate should mostly be ready by now. Delicious. We're going to dip the balls in the white chocolate and coat them as much as we can. Now all we have to do is wait till the chocolate is hard and they are ready to eat. And there they are, all dried up and delicious. Well then, there they are. Let's see what they taste like. They don't taste like a brownie, but they are delicious. They taste like a sturdy blob of date peanut butter and white chocolate. Very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.